All you have to do is subscribe to the Vibe Tribe.
Greatest version of you is not the I can do anything version of you. The greatest version of you is the disciplined version of you. The greatest version of you is the version that has parameters. No, I don't do that. I don't drink that. I don't go there with these people. I'm focused. I have a prize that's in front of me. I know what I'm supposed to do, and that ain't it. I have to stay right here. It's the version of you that has parameters.
Energy. Some people say it's two kinds of energy. I like to say it's endless kinds of energy that shapes you and makes you who you are. But one thing that they all have in common is mindset. First, let's talk about sex and sexual energy. And if you subscribe and you're part of the Vibe Tribe, leave your comments or your questions down below. I need as much help as I can get. Help me help you, and let's get into it. See, sexual energy is the driving force of nature and the energetic core of life. Energetic energy. Anything from plant, animals, us humans, nearly everything has a sex drive, and that sex drive, it arrives from our libido. Now hear me out. If you have a huge sex drive, this is for us. See, there are ways I've found you can channel that same energy in a creative way. Now, I'm not saying stop getting it in. I'm saying there's benefits from feeding your sexual energy. People don't quite understand. I personally feel I was having the wrong sex until I got into college and beyond. I'll save that for another episode, but anyway, sexual transmutation is an alchemical practice of channeling and directing your sexual energy into a higher purpose. As one of the most powerful energies in existence, our sexual energy can be directed towards achieving goals, manifesting dreams, and experiencing deeper states of consciousness. See, sexual transmutation is the alchemical practice of channeling and directing your sexual energy into a higher purpose. As one of the most powerful energies in our existence, our sexual energy can be directed towards achieving goals, manifesting dreams, and experiencing deeper states of consciousness. Anyone with a sex drive, no matter how big or small, can practice sexual transmutation. This is also a practice that suits anyone of a spiritual or religious background, as long as the religion embraces sex or a natural and healthy experience. Just some benefits from it: more focus and mental clarity, increased creativity, enhanced motivation and drive, boost of physical energy, good for those who suffer from fatigue, more assertiveness and confidence, improved moods, greater ability to manifest change, heightened self-awareness, intensified spiritual experiences. Now, these are just the benefits. Now, when it comes to sexual energy and intense creativity, frequent sex has often been perceived in many religious traditions to be kind of a distraction. And while there's absolutely nothing wrong with enjoying regular sex, there's so much more to the libido than getting off. Sex, other than being a source of pleasure, can also be channeled into any form of creation. From writing that book you've been meaning to pen, to mastering the art of intuition. As sexual energy is a creative energy, it makes sense to make the most of its initiate benefits. It's true that after having sex, we feel more relaxed, and this is because the body's energy and motivation have been temporarily depleted. But imagine what would happen if you use that burst and release of sexual energy toward fulfilling a dream or a goal. There are many ways to do this. Visualization is probably the most common method. See, there are two sides to the path of sexual transmutation: sexual abstinence and sexual expression. Now, what side you decide to walk depends on your libido, character, and your personal needs. And regardless of what path you choose, your sexual energy can be channeled toward feeling closer to the divine and more in touch with your soul. The moment of orgasm is the holy glimpse into the divine, a moment when you temporarily merge with oneness and lose your limited ego. When motivated by sexual desire, we develop a vaster imagination, deeper courage, firmer willpower, more tenacious persistence, and flourishing creativity that we weren't even aware of. Think about if you directed that same energy towards your greater purpose. Visualizing is a simple sexual transmutation technique. The only thing that this practice requires is having a clear intention before engaging in sex. Think about what you would like to direct your energy towards the most. Perhaps you want to finish a college degree, master a skill you've been itching to learn, achieve an important goal, or even have a profound spiritual experience of some kind. Whatever is important to you, carry it with you into sex. Now, as you engage in sex and reach the point of orgasm, visualize yourself achieving that dream, goal, or desire. The climax of sexual energy directed toward the image you've created in your mind is powerful. This is known as creating a thought form. Some people feel uncomfortable doing this practice without telling their partner. It can be perceived as using your partner to achieve something that benefits you. If that is a concern of yours, have a playful conversation and let them know. So there you have it, my Vibe Tribe. Everything you need to know about your sexual energy. Well, I won't say everything, but these are just some things, some little things that can maybe help you out and direct your energy and know how to control your energy to create or just do something in a sexual way better than you was doing before. Until next time,